Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel पप्पू करियर गाइड, कंप्लीट गाइड फॉर ऑल योर करियर नीड्स। तो फ्रेंड आज का वीडियो में मैं टॉपिक में बात करने वाला हूँ कि आप लोगों में से बहुत लोगों ने मुझे मेल करा था, डीएम करा था कि सर आप जो है एक बार वीडियो बना दीजिएगा रीज़न वाइज को लेकर। तो इस वीडियो में आपको बताने वाला हूँ रीज़न वाइज एंड वाई सम रीजन्स आर टेकिंग लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम to declare offer letter and joining letter after completing their HR round, or you can say document verification round. Okay, so one thing, most important thing is that TCS never reject after HR round. Okay, they will reject only in case if you are not meeting their eligibility criteria. Okay, after in spite of that they will never reject you. Okay, if you are meeting their eligibility criteria of 60% and 2 years of 2 years of gap education के पैसे allowed engineering extended education is not allowed. Like if your BTech is 4th year, if you are completing in 5th year, then you are not allowed. And this type of eligibility criteria I already created one separate video for this. Just go and check out. Okay, just search on YouTube, you will find out that particular eligibility criteria video. Okay, so if you are not meeting their eligibility criteria, then only they will reject you after HR or document verification. Okay, and before that they will never reject you. Okay, so in this video all 16 reasons I will update. Okay, so all 16 reasons Telegram group you will find on my video description link. Okay, so wait, I am showing you all 16 reason my Telegram group. Okay, after that I will discuss why some reason are taking lots of time. Okay, so friend, here you can see all the top 16 reason groups are there, like TCS Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Pune region, TCS Bangalore, okay, and TCS Hyderabad, Bangalore, Andhra Pradesh, AP, MP, Delhi, Nagpur, Kolkata, Bihar, Patna, UP, MP, Gujarat. Okay, you will just join your preferred, and you in which region you are belonging from, just join this group and you can just see this 3 dot icon, just click over there and create a poll. Okay, and just you can ask anyone received offer letter from this HR and that HR for joining your particular group. Okay, so that you will get to know each and every steps, like if any one of your, like in your region, okay, received offer letter or not. Okay, in spite of asking in video comment section, just ask over there and create a poll, so that you will easily get to know about your result status. If any one of your region received offer letter, then it's mean you are going to soon receive your offer letter. Okay, so just join this group and be friendly over there. Okay, and just ask your question, and there are lots of candidates are also already there in this particular all the group, and just join and ask your query over there, so that they can also reply back to you. Okay, so friend, let's get started with the mail. Okay, so here you can see I written over there, update TCS taking 4 to 8 weeks time to declare interview result for some reason. Okay, which are the reason? Friend, some reason like Bihar and Patna. Okay, some colleges are there in the Mumbai, Tamil Nadu. Okay, and you can see like in the south region of Chennai. Okay, Chennai is still waiting for their offer letter, like last 1 or 2 months. And for Maharashtra region, Maharashtra and Mumbai, the same region. Okay, and the Pune region are still waiting their offer letter, and some few region got their offer letter belonging from the north side. Okay, so you just join your Telegram group, you will get to know each and everything. Okay, here you can see if you trying to mail the TCS career team, you will receive this type of mail. Okay, this mail is coming from the Nalini. Okay, this is a TCS HR team. Okay, here you can see as part of the hiring process, only shortlisted student will receive further communication on their registered email ID. So this mail is pre-defined, or you can say pre-written mail. If you are writing any type of heading like interview result or interview mail or interview update, then you will receive this type of mail, because this is a pre-defined, or you can say pre-written mail. Okay, so this mail indicate that if you are got selected, then only you are receiving your interview process or interview result mail or selection mail or rejection mail. Okay, and yes, TCS will reject you, and they may have they may have this right to reject you in HR if you are not meeting the eligibility criteria, and technical round they will reject you if you are not meeting their what you can say, if you're not clearing the interview round of technical. Okay, because technical is a elimination round in TCS. Okay, because this is a very easy round to qualify, because most of the subscriber already got placed in TCS, giving 2 to 3 minutes of interview, and also 5 minutes of interview they got selected in TCS. They know only basic of the coding, they got selected. Okay, there are lots of students are there, they they are not so much in coding and they don't know much about the technology, but they have patience, they have like what you can say, they have learning skills, they have a eager to learn new technology, or you can say patience they have. Okay, so that's why they are receiving. Okay, so here you can see, if you want to mail them, just try to mail them this type of mail you will receive from the TCS career team. Okay, so let's get started. Why they are taking lots of time to declare result? As you all know that TCS is currently extended the date of phase 2 hiring. Okay, so right now in TCS phase 2 hiring, they will hire a ninja role as well as digital role, but they will more focus on the digital role. Okay, because in phase 1 they hire lots of ninja students, but only I think 5 to 10 candidates got selected in digital offer in the phase 1, but in phase 2 they are more focusing on the digital role. Okay, or you can you already know that previously there is the 15th November date of last date to apply phase 2, but right now they extended till 30th of November. Okay, that's why this is the one reason why they are taking lots of time to declare result. And the second what is the reason, sir? Second reason is that because there are previously lots of students are there who still not got any offer letter or any joining letter after giving their HR round. Okay, so let's suppose I'm HR of the Kolkata region. Okay, let's suppose I'm Kolkata region HR. I have taken 200 candidates interview. Okay, and my senior HR said that wait for a week, you will receive another 200 candidates for interview process. Okay, then after 1 week I received 200 candidates. Okay, so right now how many candidates are there? 400 candidates are there, but how much TCS required from the TCS Kolkata region? Let's suppose 450. So 250. So how can I judge in 200 and 200 400? Because 200, if I judge in 200, there is a high chances that most of the students got selected because number is less. Okay, but after a week and after 1 week or 2 week or 3 week, if they are added more senior HR to HR, more and more candidates, then after you will see there 1000 candidates are there. Okay, that's why they are taking time, because in every region HR they wants to take all the candidates interview, like all the candidates, like all the upcoming candidates. Okay, if they complete all the candidates interview, then let's suppose 10,000 candidates are given the interview in the Pune region. Okay, so for this particular, let's suppose Nalini ma'am, or you can say Ranjan Maharajan sir, or you can say if they select only 7,000 candidates, then after they are eligible to shortlisting from 10,000 to 7,000. But if they shortlist among 5,000, then how can they judge after remaining 55,000? That's why they are taking lots of time, because they want to complete all the phase and all the candidates for the particular reason to complete their interview of the TR and HR. After that they will declare their offer later. Okay, so that's why they are taking lots of time. Here is the one reason I already told that extended the phase 2 hiring. Okay, because phase 2 hiring is still students receiving their IRC mail. Okay, 19th November one of my subscriber got received IRC mail for the TCS of TCS phase 2 hiring. So here is the one more reason that's why they are taking time to declare offer letter, because you know that TCS HR is responsible for in every region that they will declare the result. Okay, because senior HR only said that I want 5,000 candidates, but for the particular reason they have 1 lakh students, then how can they shortlist 1 lakh in only 5,000 students? That's why they are waiting and they are still taking time to declare offer letter. But here is a good news for you, for all of you guys. If you are waiting for your offer letter after HR round, they will never reject you. And if you are still waiting their offer letter after completing HR interview, then you are got selected, friend. Okay, I already said that if you are not meeting their eligibility, they will reject you. If you are not reject you, then BCG you will be caught out. Okay, so if you are waiting after HR round, it means you are selected, friend. Wait for some more days, because 30th of November you can just wait, because previously I already said that 15th of November you can just wait, but right now they extended to 30th of November, because I already told you that, friend, if TCS phase 2 hiring is ended in 15th September, that's why they are I think they will ended in 15th November. Okay, that's why they are declare all the result before 15th November, but right now they extended the phase 2 hiring. That's why if phase, let's suppose, see what I'm trying to tell you, phase 1 candidates and phase 2 candidates, okay, if both are candidates, okay, अगर देखो मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ, ठीक है, अगर फेज़ 1 से मान लो 5000 आए, फेज़ 2 से 5000 आए, दोनों से 10000 आए, तब उस रीजन के एचआर को आसानी होगा शॉर्टलिस्ट करने में। अगर वो फेज़ 1 को ही देख के शॉर्टलिस्ट करे तो फेज़ 2 कहाँ जाएगा, ये बच्चे कहाँ जाएंगे? Are you getting my point? That's why if they complete all the phase 1 and phase 2, then after you will receive. But don't worry, wait till of this month, or you can wait just a week, okay, because few are telling that sir I got offer letter. Yes, they are getting the offer letter, but only few, not many, much more, not only few. I think you are getting my point. If you like my video, just like the video and share with your friend, and मिलते हैं आपको दूसरे वीडियो में। Till then, जय हिंद, जय भारत।